Haluški. Drop noodles with sauerkraut or feta cheese. A main dish from Slovakia. You will need 15 ingredients. Step 1. Mix all ingredients for the noodles together in a bowl with handle to form a thick paste. Step 2. Boil pot of water. Step 3. Drop half teaspoon of dough into boiling water. If it stays together, puffs and comes to the top the dough, it is fine. If it falls apart, add a little more flour to the dough, test again. Step 4. Drop by tiny spoonfuls into water. Step 5. Dip spoon into water, makes dough slide off easier. Step 6. Cook until all come to the top and are tender. Step 7. Drain. Step 8. For potato drop noodles, add 2 pureed raw potatoes to the same recipe. It makes more noodles than without the potatoes. Step 9. In Slovakia, these are made with a special pan just for these dumplings, however one can easily be improvised. If you take a black plastic tray, the kind meat come in at the grocery store, and drill about 50
Step
holes
10.
into the bottom with a
This make
1/4
very
inch
uniform
drill,
dumplings,
then sand it
and
to
they all
smooth
cook at
off
the same
all the
time.
edges. It will
If
work
they are too
great.
big, make a smaller
When your
one
water
with
comes to a
1/8 inch
boil,
holes,
pour
or
all your
half-inch
noodle
holes
batter
if
into
you
the
want the
tray
dumplings
all at
bigger.
once. Holding over water,
Step
use
11.
spatula to push the
To make
batter
the
through
dumplings
the
with
holes.
sauerkraut,
In less
melt
than a
butter
minute,
in
all
a
the
pot
batter
and
is
fry
in the
2
water.
chopped onions.
Step 12. Add 1 small head of cabbage chopped. Step 13. Fry until browned and add salt and pepper and garlic powder. Step 14. Use a double batch of noodles and mix into the fried cabbage. Step 15. Cook on low until it's hot. Step 16. To make pot cheese and noodles, double batch of either the regular or the potato noodles. Step 17. Fry in pot in butter or margarine. Step 18. Add 2 pounds pot cheese, farmer's cheese, feta cheese, or cottage cheese. Step 19. Mix, heat, and use salt and pepper to taste. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.